So unboxing this package from the US. Um, it's from Atkins Rotary. These are parts for the rotary engine. And now I'll open it. There you go. And here, there it is. So this is the Atkins Rotary O-ring kit. This is complete with the water jacket seal. Serves as a head gasket for piston engines, but for rotary engines it's called the water jacket seal. And this is the seal, the oil seal for the front eccentric shaft and the rear eccentric shaft. This rear eccentric shaft oil seal is not the first version, not the original version for the FD. This is for the RXE. So what do we have here? There. Ball pen from Atkins Rotary. Nice ball pen. Sticker from Atkins Rotary, atkinsrotary.com. Also 2 pieces. And what's this? Atkins Rotary and Mazda parts sticker, and a calling card from camdensuperchargers.com. Atkins Rotary specialist. Okay, and the receipt. So ARE116, this is it. ARE116 O-ring kit, water jacket seals, Beton O-rings, rotor O-rings, dowel pin O-rings, rear stationary gear, front cover O-ring, front cover nylon rings, injector diffusers O-ring, front hub bolt O-ring, front main seal, rear main seal, crank angle sensor O-ring, tensioner bolt seals, 2mm corner seal plug set. And ARE15, it's the Atkins Beton oil control O-ring inserts. Okay, so that's it for the rotary engine parts that I'm gonna rebuild for the RX-7 FD White.